Let's take a look at the training instructions for the Videojet laser machine. I might not be very familiar with the laser marking industry myself. The first part is, why do we choose laser machines? Because laser, as an optional marking technology, produces permanent marks on products. In other words, once marked, it cannot be wiped off. Unlike ink from other machines, which can be removed with special cleaning agents, laser marks are permanent and cannot be erased after printing. Also, it can mark a wide variety of materials. It can mark letters, numbers, QR codes, barcodes, graphics, logos, and so on, and the range of what it can engrave is quite broad. The marking area is relatively large. In terms of being environmentally friendly, it is more eco-friendly, unlike traditional machines that use solvents and inks, which emit harmful gases that are corrosive both to humans and to the environment. Laser machines do not require consumables at all. It doesn't need ink or solvents, just power it on and it's ready to go. Also, its stability is quite good, so there are very few issues with reliability. Here you can see the printing results on different products that we've done. The results are impressive. The markings are not easy to rub off. The printing speed is relatively fast and the printed marks are not easily erased. It supports both static and dynamic printing to meet standards. Because it uses a laser head to print directly onto the product surface, the height, the working distance, is adjustable. It can reach about 20 centimeters, so it has a significant advantage when printing on products with uneven surfaces. Another point is that it doesn't require consumables like ink or solvents. It doesn't need things like labels or large print heads either. Of course, it does have some drawbacks. The first is, compared to inkjet machines and similar equipment, the initial cost of purchasing this device is indeed higher. Also, the contrast of laser marking depends on the material and color of the substrate. The marking effect is significantly determined by the color and the material of the product. That means the range of raw materials that can be marked with a laser, basically the products themselves, is quite limited. This is one of its drawbacks.